This is a guided meditation that's part of the Evolve Parenting series. We're talking about education. I'm also a tutor. I tutor math here in Austin. And this guided meditation is to help people to understand what education is really about and to relax. For more details, I'll link to another video. But to summarize before we begin the guided meditation, the schools think that education is about understanding, about the accumulation of facts, but it's actually not. It's about moving you away from having stress about confusion to having peace about confusion. That's what learning is. It's not about the facts. Yes, you will enter a state of understanding and you will feel some joy, and that is what had you re-enter the state of confusion, but now we call it mystery. So the first stage in education, the way it's supposed to be done, is the student has confusion. You're offering new concepts, so it's only natural they would have confusion, but you address any concerns and anxiety they have by helping them to quickly move toward understanding. A good teacher moves them towards understanding quickly. A disinterested or stress-inducing teacher will slow their movement towards understanding, and they may never understand because they're so full of anxiety or the need to win a reward or their fear of rejection or criticism or embarrassment. It's about moving you from having peace with confusion to a sense of understanding, but then moving on to a third stage, which is mystery. That is the excitement to know what you don't know. If you look at anyone who's on the cutting edge, whether it's in science, academia, business, the art, they're all interested in mystery. They're not interested in what they know. That's boring. And as a business person, it's not particularly lucrative, what everyone else is doing. The fun in life, in these particular domains of academia, science, math, English, arts, science, is in the mystery. And so that's what our guided meditation will be. This is often best listened to when you're going to bed, and then when you wake up in the morning, you may find that your attitude towards school is quite different. Other than feeling anxiety, depression, judging yourself, you're going to be excited to embrace the confusion, because confusion and mystery are really the same thing. It's just an attitude difference. In confusion, you're like, oh, I'm judging myself because I don't know. But in mystery, you're like, I'm excited because I don't know. So we're going to have you breathe in and breathe out through your nose. While I'm talking, just focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. Prepare to breathe in, breathe in. Hold it, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just focus on the air moving in and out of your breath. Prepare to breathe in, breathe in. Breathe out. Now just listen to the sound of my voice, but continue to breathe in slowly and breathe out. In math, and in any subject, and in life, there are many things that we'll encounter that we don't know, and we may feel confused. But there is nothing wrong with being confused. It is fine to be confused. If you have any judgment about yourself for being confused, remind yourself that there are 3 stages: confusion, understanding, and mystery. And right now, you're in confusion, but there's no need to judge yourself if you're in confusion. Just be confused. You can say, I'm confused. But the main thing is, there is no need to feel any stress or self-judgment if you are confused. Everyone gets confused. And when you accept your confusion, you will find it is easier to reach understanding. It is our resistance to our confusion that slows down our understanding. So relax. If you are confused, it is okay to be confused. If anyone tells you that it's not okay, they are confused, because it is okay to be confused. It is okay to not know the answer. It is okay to make a mistake on a math test. It is okay not to understand the math equations or principles. If you are confused, there are 3 stages. Confusion is the first stage. By accepting your confusion, by not judging yourself, you then move to understanding. If you are confused, it is okay. It is okay to be confused. Confusion is fine, and understanding will come. There's no need to struggle to understand. You just embrace the confusion. You relax and you listen. Listen to what's being taught. Listen to what your mind is trying to figure out, without stress, without tension, without needing to get some reward, without needing to prove yourself. Prepare to breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Math is not meant to be scary. Math is not meant to be confusing. Now, math may be mysterious, so we embrace the confusion. Breathe in. Breathe out. The next time you have a math problem, or any problem that you can't solve, any confusion, any situation where you don't know how it works, any situation where you feel you're being judged or you're judging yourself, remember there are 3 stages. There is the confusion, then there is the understanding, and then there is the mystery. There is no need to judge yourself for being in the confusion. Confusion is a rejection of the mystery. When you have peace with confusion, then you're embracing the mystery. Then you are full of curiosity. Then your mind is open, you are relaxed, you are at peace, and you welcome understanding to come at its own pace. There is no need to judge yourself for confusion. Confusion is the first stage. There is confusion, then there is understanding, and then there is the embrace of mystery. The more you embrace mystery, the less you'll be bothered by confusion, because you will see that confusion is mystery. It is something that can ignite your curiosity. Watch as your mind attempts to figure out the problem, and then the mystery will be revealed. Math is a giant puzzle. It's a game. When we try to focus on the practical purposes of math, or the practical purposes of anything that we're struggling to learn, we get stuck trying, lots of effort, lots of anxiety. But if we just remember, any struggle that you're having, whether it's math or anything else, is just to teach that there are 3 stages in life. Confusion, making peace with that confusion, understanding, and then embracing the mystery, curiosity. That feeds back, so the next time you're confused, you will respond with curiosity instead of fear, anxiety, or judging yourself. So that's why we learn math, to remember that there are 3 stages. So, next time you have a math problem, you may see confusion. That's okay. You may not have understanding as fast as everyone else. You may not have understanding as fast as the teacher wants, but understanding will come. Yes, certain advanced math after algebra gets a little confusing, but if we're talking about basic math, it will come. Breathe in, breathe out. So we move from embracing the confusion, being okay with the confusion, to understanding and the joy that understanding can bring. And then we move into mystery. What's the next problem? Math is about these 3 stages. Confusion, peace with confusion. Understanding, that joy of understanding. And then the curiosity, the mystery. This is a shortened version of the guided meditation, which we are now ending. But if you want the longer version, I can send it to you for free. Just send me an email. And if you're in Austin, I do one-on-one tutoring. Feel free to contact me. If you're a parent, you can go to evolveparenting.com, subscribe to this on YouTube as well as there, and guided meditations on BeTrueLove.com. Thanks for listening.